That's got hit. Good one.
Really?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Freight Experience. It is currently 9:47, just now getting out here on the California Delta. Gonna be out here chasing the grind again today. And don't forget, guys, use code FREIGHT at lose.com, which will all be linked in the description along with my social medias and the group chat for you guys. If you guys want to join and talk to everyone, post pictures, and have a great time in there. But remember, guys, like I said, lose.com, use code FREIGHT to kick off summer with a bang to get you started with some fresh new setups. Like I said, guys, it's been a grind out here in the Delta for me. So it's windy. This week is relatively cooler compared to last week, and next week is going to be really, really hot. It's going to be 106 and then like 99 tournament day. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm assuming now the bite's gonna be completely different. Of course, it's gonna be different tides, but above all, the wind and the weather is completely different. So it's definitely gonna change. But with this windy weather and how it is, it's gonna be your action baits today. So buckle up. It's gonna either be a really good day or a really bad day. Well, there's plenty of bluegill in here.
Fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good one? Looks like it.
Fucking right away.
It looks like it could be a good one. Keep it down. Nope, it's bass.
Hey,
On the chartreuse. I'm not surprised right now with all this. Get him out of the grass.
try it, Tiger.
That's gonna be our problem here, is how much grass is in here.
Not bad.
I know. That's definitely one we definitely take. Pop him on the scale. Yeah. Pop him on the scale. That's 2.5, right? No. Like a 230. Out in the sparse grass. Huh? Oh, I know it's hot.
No, to the touch.
I know the water's hot in here. But the only thing is there's a lot of bluegill in here. I'm seeing a lot.
245.
I'll take that. I'll take that all day. Yeah. First cast. This is about the size I normally catch in here. It's about that. Yeah, he's skinny.
Is he?
He's skinny. $2.15.
Now, if you pick up one or two out here, then you start thinking.
Mm-hmm.
I see potential for, maybe small fish. Big ones. I don't catch anything real big out of there.
That's got hit. Good one.
Really?
Ye-
As I just said.
Dude, he thumped it. Like Don Pedro jigfish thumped.
Really?
Yeah. You want to help me out with this one? This is like probably...
No, I saw it's like 5.
All I saw was at the jump. I didn't get a good look at it. Just coming around.
Bigger than 5.
Told you.
Well, I'd say that.
I told you they're gonna move.
I know.
3 pounds. $545, $550.
Did you have to work it out tight?
Yeah, a little bit. It took me 4 trips to the Delta, guys, to finally catch one over 5 pounds. I'll take it though. And remember, guys, use code FREY, link in description to lose.com. Again, code FREY, I'll put it right here, all caps, F-R-E-Y, to get summer started off with a bang. Get yourself started with some setups either for the Mudload Lakes or the Delta, guys. I'm telling you, they got everything you guys will need. One-stop shop, rods and reels, everything you need. And the one thing I like about Lose so much is how easy they are to come by. You could go to just about any sporting goods store, any Bass Pro Shops, any Dick's Sporting Goods, and find yourself a Lose that you can actually hold in your hand before you go on and buy online. And that's the one thing I like about them, because how widely available they are for you guys. So I'll stop talking. Let's get right back into fishing. Well, try it now. Yeah. 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 I made 3 casts to that spot. It's not all that much bigger, but it's definitely the biggest one off the spot. And he hammered it. Choked it. Dude, really? Not all that big as I thought he was. I thought he was at least 1.5 pounds. Hey, green pumpkin. First or second cast. Dude, it's not a good one, dude. Alright, yeah, that is.
And you don't want to start in here.
Hey, control your fish.
Don't want
Barely hooked too.
Yeah.
All skinny spawned out there in that deeper grass.
I told you this
Pop it
one.
on the scale real
This
fast.
one looks a lot better to me because of how much more grass.
I like that shallower stuff, but
Oh, we got 2 spots now.
yeah.
At low tide.
Yep.
This one you could definitely hit at low tide. I'm gonna say 285.
285. It's, I don't know, it's kind of tough. This is a tough
Let's
one.
talk about shallow one.
305.
So we got a 380 and a 305 over here.
Yep.
And another,
That would have been another 3 that I had.
yeah.
Clean it. There's another one. I heard that. Oh, that looks like a good one.
Ain't that big.
Kicking your ass.
Oh, he ain't that big, dude.
Oh, he's not?
No. Just fucking,
Oh, well, when I saw it when it came up, I thought it was like a freaking 8.
yeah. Still another solid fish, though.
Yeah. Well, when it came up, it did that weird half swirl.
Yeah, I thought it was big.
It made it look like a swim bait fish, huh?
Yeah. Put him on there real quick.
Yeah. Ain't all that big.
Hey.
Yeah.
That's on the blue
Yeah.
one.
You guys know when you catch a fish, it comes up and it does like a half swirl, so you see half the fish, and you think it's a big one? That's just what happened. Happens a lot with swim bait fishing, I'll tell you that right now. All right, what's your guess?
Another one.
Another one? Oh, a little tiny guy.
What's my guess?
Yeah. I already put him on there, so I kind of.
220.
Right, that's a cheating. You're cheating.
What was it?
220. Damn, Bearded Bass and his dad have competition out here now for us on the Delta. That was sarcasm. Oh, my line's going. Couldn't catch up to my line. think he choked it too. Little chunky chunk. Okay, where's the hook at? There's the hook at. All right. Dude, this thing is so freaking fat. It's ridiculous.
Fat?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Is the hook point? Yep. Okay, now just gotta give it back to me. Now guys, if you do end up hooking a fish in the gill like I have right here, always go through the side. Because if you start digging in there with your pliers, you will bust up their gills and the fish will eventually probably die. So always go through the gill like that. You get your bait back, you get everything. He has a big old crawdad in his throat too. First fish of the day, a 12-inch chunk. First Texas rig fish though in our 2 days of being out here. Get away from the prop.
How big is he?
Nothing special.
Yep. Where was he?
Inside the toolie.
Inside the sparse tools?
Yeah. You want to throw him on the scale or we probably not, huh? Huh?
Whatever you want.
That's all right.
He's down in something like that.
Yeah. Inside the toolies.
In there tight?
In there tight.